Today is Monday, November 24th. So here we are, Thanksgiving week. Also getting closer to the end of the year. And it's that time of the year where we should be writing out our goals for 2026. That being the case, I'm going to talk about your goals and when you're writing them out. First and foremost, it is okay and acceptable to carry over one goal from last year into next year. If you haven't, finished that goal, or even if you didn't get started, if it's something that's important to you, then it is fine to carry that over into a 2-year project, even though that may not have been the case when you originally wrote the goal. But one of the things I want to make sure that you are looking at and analyzing when you're doing these goals, or a couple things. One, ask yourself, am I going to make the effort to achieve this goal? Again, make sure you ask yourself and be honest. Am I going to make the effort to achieve this goal? If that's the case, then yeah, that's something you can carry over, write the goal down. Also, you need to ask yourself, do I need to change myself in order to reach this goal? And I'll give you an example of what that means, changing yourself. If one of your goals is to put more money away for retirement or investments in 2026, if that's your goal, but currently your finances are tight, then in order for that goal to materialize, you're going to need to cut your budget, cut some expenses to afford to put more money away. So you have to ask yourself, am I willing to do that? Am I willing to cut my budget and expenses to support this goal of putting more money away? That's a prime example. So again, Matt, when you're writing your goals out, again, ask yourself, do I need to change myself to reach these goals? Am I willing to put the effort in to achieve these goals? And again, it is fine to carry over a goal from one year to the next. If you didn't hit it this year and it's important to you, and the answer to those first two questions is yes, then you're willing to do that, then yeah, let's carry that goal over. Let's make it a great year. So I'm going to leave you with today's quote. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Again, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Make sure that you do hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any content. Let's hit our goals for 2026. And happy Thanksgiving to all viewers. Have a great week.